So hello guys, welcome back to Farja Gaming. I'm a host Farjak. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to install Python and VS Code and set up to run our first program in Python. Okay, this is gonna be a full-fledged Python course for beginner. It will be from beginner to pro level Python course. In this course, we will mainly focus on Python basics. We are gonna create a project at the end. This course, I don't know how many episodes will it take. So this is the first episode of Python course from beginner to pro. So let's start it. First thing we have to do is install Python. Okay. So to install Python, we have to open the Chrome browser. Inside the Chrome browser, we have to type in Python. Okay. So just type in Python and the first link will be welcome to python.org. Okay. If any other website pops up, make sure to open the python.org. Okay. And go to the download section and you will see that the Python 3.12.4 is available here. I have already downloaded the exe. I don't need to download it again. I'll just go to my downloads folder once again. You can see the Python 3.12.4 is here. So I'll just double click the file and run it. Okay. And make sure you check both these boxes before installation or it will give you many errors. Okay. Just click on install and every single Python files and other modules will get installed like pre-built modules and files. Okay. While this is getting installed, we'll install another software. Just open the Chrome and okay. So here already Chrome is open. I'll go here. Just type in VS Code. Okay. Just type in VS Code and open the VS Code and go to the downloads. If you are using other OS, just download Linux or Mac according to your OS. Okay. So I'm using Windows. I'm downloading from here. So if you are using a normal version of Windows, you can download from here. If you are using custom version of Windows, which runs everything in a admin permission, so you can download it from the system installer section. I think the Python 3.12 is almost installed. So you can see the setup is successfully installed. At the end of the installation, it will ask us to disable path limit. Make sure to disable it. Disable the path length and make sure to install the VS Code. In the VS Code, there is no need to check box and everything like that. So it is very basic to install and do everything. After installing the VS Code, just open the VS Code. After opening the VS Code, go to the file and open folder and choose the documents and create a folder named tutorial. Okay, I have already created one folder named tutorial. So I'll select the folder. So to open it in a shortcut, press Ctrl K and Ctrl O to open the open folder tab. You can easily access using shortcuts too. Basically, VS Code has many shortcuts that you still have to learn. So it will be easy for you. Now, after coming here, you can see the tutorial is now visible to us. So here you can see there is a icon right here. So if we click this, it will create a new file, and if we click this one, it will create us a new folder. Okay. So I'll click the create new file and I'll give it name as p1.py. Okay. So you can see the p1.py. So for many people, this run icon will not show at the starting. Okay, so go to the extensions right here in the left side of your screen and in the search bar type in Python. Okay, when you type in Python, you can see there is a Python extension by Microsoft. Make sure to install this version. Other versions will give some errors, so make sure to install this. And After installing, you will be able to see the Python run option, and also you will be able to change the Python interpreter too. I'm using Python 3.12.4, so I'll choose that and I'll type in print hello world. Okay, so hello world. Okay, so after typing in hello world, I'll just run the code. So you can see the hello world has been printed in our terminal. So this is our very first code. We have set up everything from, okay, we have set up everything. We have set up Python and we have set up VS Code and everything. So to check the Python is working correctly or not, type in py. If it shows like this, then it's working. And also we have to check another thing in Python also. It's called pip, pip. Okay. Oh, sorry. So type in pip and press enter. Okay. So you can see pip is also installed. So let's try to install a library using pip. If you don't understand, don't worry. I'll explain everything in the upcoming videos, future videos. So for this video, let's aim for 100 likes. Okay. Hope you guys will clear it. So I'll type in pip install Flask. Let's see whether it works or not. Flask is a web development tool, means web development module. So if you want a separate video for Flask tutorial, so you can ask me. I'll teach you everything from A to Z. Okay. So I'll also update the pip so that we can easily work with it. So basically, this was it for the video. You have learned how to install Python and how to write code and how to run the code, and also in the VS we have an option to debug the Python file and everything. It will provide us a step-by-step process of debugging, so there will be no problem of errors, so it will be easier for us. I will show you how to debug everything if we got any error in the future. Okay, so this was it for the video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care, guys.